Apparently, the energy market has stabilized as market participants have digested the essence of the OPEC Plus agreement on lifting output cuts. After a short pause, crude prices have finally moved higher, winning back some of their previous losses. However, further uptrend seems highly unlikely. Oil supply will gradually increase, so the future of oil prices will entirely depend on the prospects of energy demand. Today's meeting of the European Central Bank can bring more certainty to the situation. Meanwhile, we will tell you about the overall forecast for the commodities market and the Russian ruble. The upcoming increase in oil production stopped the rapid collapse in Brent crude. Yesterday, the European grade regained ground and advanced by about 5%. If the price manages to hold above $72.50 per barrel during today's session, the upward momentum may easily continue. So, long positions on Brent may start to increase. So far, oil has every chance to move higher, as at the moment it's trading at $72.80 a barrel. A similar recovery is observed on WTI crude. To extend the uptrend, the quotes of the US grade will need to settle firmly above $70.60 per barrel. If this scenario is confirmed, then WTI is likely to enter the channel between 70.80 and 71.20 US dollars a barrel. Meanwhile, the dollar-ruble pair failed to maintain the bullish momentum in yesterday's trade. On the contrary, the quotes of the pair moved down after a short flat movement in the range between 74.30 and 74.80 rubles per dollar. In case this price holds below this level, the downward movement will accelerate. In the near term, the pair is projected to trade in the channel between 73.50 and 74 rubles per US dollar. Along with this, the euro-ruble pair has also depreciated and hit the level from July 6. Notably, the pair has overcome several key levels on its way down. The consolidation of the price below 87 rubles per euro will lead to a rise in the volume of short positions. In this case, the pair will most probably decline to the area of 86.50 and 86 rubles per euro. In fact, the Russian ruble has been ignoring the events in the foreign exchange market for quite a long time. However, yesterday, at the very beginning of the New York session, the ruble followed the trajectory of such major currencies as the euro and the pound. The reason for this is the meeting of the ECB that is due to be held today. This event is of such importance that even the ruble cannot stay aside. However, there is a high risk that the European regulator will not meet investors' expectations, and Christine Lagarde will not mention anything about the hike of the interest rates. This scenario will lead to a further strong uptrend in the US dollar. In other words, the ruble will soon start to lose ground after short-term strengthening, and this may be quite a rapid fall. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel. See you in our next release.